Change is the end result of all true learning. In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. Life is 10% what happens to us and 90% how we react to it. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. It does not matter how slowly you go, as long as you do not stop. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. Don't watch the clock do what it does. Keep going. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow is our doubts of today. Your time is limited. Don't waste it living someone else's life. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Life is what happens when you're busy making other plans. Don't let yesterday take up too much of today. The best way to predict the future is to create it. What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. We can't help everyone, but everyone can help someone. Act as if what you do makes a difference. It does. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Our greatest glory is not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Everything you've ever wanted is on the other side of fear. What we achieve inwardly will change outer reality. Hardships often prepare ordinary people for an extraordinary destiny. Life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. Success is not how high you have climbed, but how you make a positive difference to the world. Success usually comes to those who are too busy to be looking for it. You can't go back and change the beginning, but you can start where you are and change the ending. You have within you right now everything. You need to deal with whatever the world can throw at you. Keep your face always toward the sunshine, and shadows will fall behind you.